Guys, today is Tuesday, second trading day of the week. A couple of my profit signal trigger to buy, and it's a famous stock like Apple, right? Okay, another one I will jump in and I will show you. But basically, market has been sold off after market open, and yet my profit signal still trigger a buy. I still follow it, right? Right now, I suspect the profit signal is having a very short-term duration or bad run. I will still go through with it, right? Because when the good run comes in, definitely I can make back the profits and still make an overall profit, right? Okay, so roughly now is about 3% down, right? Not much. Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are on my screen right now, and we can see that I did a few trades, right? Apple and Google. Right now, overall market is being sold down. We can see over here at this top right, okay? That was roughly when market opened, and after market open, it just went all the way down. Quite a sharp sell-off after market open. We can see over here, S&P is now about 0.8% down, and Nasdaq is about 1.6% down, right? Okay, so a lot of stocks are being sold down. You can see under my favorites here, most of them are in the red, except for the banking stocks. My portfolio based on the swing trades is down about 3%, right? Okay, not that much, right? But if all these stop loss will be slightly more, right? But still within my acceptable risk and range, right? Can still come back when the good run for my profit signal happens, right? So very quickly, just to show you. Over here, this is my profit signal, right? Traded on Apple over here, right? Traded on Apple over here. After traded, it went down, so that's why a slight loss. In fact, I traded slightly lower than the entry price because by the time I see it, right, okay, I was handling my personal account. It was a better price, right? Okay, so I went in. Same thing for Google, right? Google also got a better price, but after that it still continued to go down. Went in on Google, Apple, Amazon is also down, Meta is also down, but not yet hit my stop loss. So keeping my fingers crossed. Microsoft is almost hitting stop loss, right? Okay, that will cost me about $30 to $40 of losses. Starbucks. Instead of going down, it went up a little bit, right? And tomorrow we'll have earnings report. It may go either way. We will never know. Tomorrow we will know. Tomorrow I'll let you know how it went, right, for the earnings, right? Okay. So keeping my finger crossed that the earnings will make it come down a little bit to hit my take profit, right? Okay. So basically. These are the open trades. Pending soon is Tesla, but I doubt it will trigger a buy. Looking from the selling today, most likely going to wait another 1-2 days, right, or even next week, right? Okay. BAC is up today, slightly up, but overall for the past 1 or 2 weeks it has been coming down. And you remember when I started trading the profit signal, I took the trade and make a bit of profit from BAC as well, right? So GM is almost there to trigger. Previously, like I say, now is a pretty bad time for my profit to start trading for a profit signal because it has went through a very good run, right? Okay, over here took profit. This signal also took profit. Normally there are 2 wins to 3 wins and 1 loss, right? Okay, so I will still take it. I will still follow through by taking every one because there are times whereby there are 3 consecutive wins, 4 consecutive wins as well. And the way we trade it, right, is that it's a risk to reward is 1:2 based on our settings. So definitely 1 win can cover 2 losses. So I'm not so worried about that. And most of the time we could do that. It's just that the profit signal is in a bad run just this month, right? Okay, yeah. So just have to go through it because you never know when the good run will come anyway, right? As long the expectation that the profit signal overall in the long run does generate a profit is okay, right? Okay. So that's all from me. Basically, I traded these 2 stocks that I mentioned to you, And as we can see over here, a huge sell-off for the S&P. Nasdaq as well is still continuing to sell off. Just now it was minus 1.6%, now it's down even more for Nasdaq, right? Another 0.2% down movement, right? Okay, like I mentioned last week, I don't think the selling is over, and this week, as we can see, as of today, we can see that the selling is continuing, and I do suspect there is a 60 to 80% chance or probability that the selling may continue until end of the week, right? So very likely this week there will be more selling pressure than buying momentum, right? Okay, and hopefully this insight can give you a better idea on how to approach the markets, and I'll update you tomorrow as and when the market move, and also if my profit signal do trigger any other trades as well, right? Okay, and also update you on the performance of these few trades, which mostly are trading it up except for Starbucks, but mostly are down quite a bit, right? Okay, so it does happen, but if you look at the long term for Apple or even Amazon, you know, most of the time when we are trading it up, it does goes up. Most of the time when we are trading it down, it does goes down. Same thing for Google as well. So one trade shouldn't affect too much, right? It's just a temporary drawdown, right? As long as we stick to the profit signal, we can see over here, in the long run, it will make us more profits than losses, right? Okay, so that's all from me. And if you are interested to learn more about the profit signal, do actually check out the link somewhere around here to sign up for my free workshop, where I showcase to you the profit signal, how to use it for getting profits, and also how you could use it to help your trading to trade even better and get more profits as well, right? That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe or like this channel if you like to keep on getting notification about new videos coming in, right? Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.